I led a proof of concept project to recover biofuels from water. Initially, I met Mark Gronnow of BDC in a workshop. With placement support, we visited each other's laboratory and started to investigate the biofuel market. And then, with a proof of concept project, enables us to develop the new membrane technology and engage with the more industry end users.
We have been making real fermentation broths for Xuebin to trial his separation technology on, and then subsequent to that we've been speaking to potential industry end users who will then be able to tell us what they need to see in the technology going forward to commercialisation.
Biofuels are renewable sources from the waste biomass through the fermentation process. They have a very low concentration of biofuels in the water, normally below 1%. So we developed the new membrane technology. Our technology can collect butanol from water. Butanol is better than ethanol for the transportation use. We attracted more industry companies to join the project, such as Vivergo Fuels and BP. So the Vivergo Fuels is the largest biofuels manufacturer in Europe.
With our successful follow-on funding now in place, we hope to take on the work from the original proof of concept, where we proved the concept at lab scale, and now start to make it a commercial reality.